Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Today we're going to take a look at this personal welder that someone sent out to me for review. Now this is a very compact unit. It is very lightweight, so it's going to be perfect for travel. It even comes with a little portable shoulder strap if you guys wanted to be able to easily carry this thing around. Now this has an optional 120 volt versus 240 volt that you can control from this. You have your positive and your negative plugs right here in the front. It does come with the cables. So let me show you guys these cables. So it also comes with your 240 volt cable comes with it. And you get your negative. Your negative is just going to plug in right here. And it comes with your positive cable for connecting your rod. So you're going to use this, to attach your rod. This goes in here for arc welding. So this also has the same type of push-in plug. That's just going to go into the positive side. The negative side is for your ground. So let's turn this thing on and see what we get. Also, it comes with a nice little brush, metal brush. That's going to be perfect for cleaning up some of your welded areas. And it even comes with I'll just call this a temporary face mask. So if you guys are looking for something just to get started, this could be something really nice. So let's just go ahead and power this on so you guys can hear what it sounds like when it turns on. All right, guys, you should be able to hear that, hopefully. Now there's a fan right here that kicks on automatically when you first turn the device on. To control your power output, you're just going to turn this little knob right here. Now the maximum you should be able to go up to, I think it's 160 is going to be the output. Yeah, so we got 160 as you guys can see here. That's with the 120. So we're currently at 120. So if you had this plugged in, to your 240, you're going to get a different reading on this. But like I said, a very compact unit, lightweight. So if you're looking for a shop welder, an arc welder for your shop or something like that, this could be exactly what you're looking for. So definitely take a look at this welding unit, guys. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you in the next video.